It's Wednesday, December 16th, just following up on the SPY. You can see it's moving down towards its bigger picture target here, the lower purple line. I discussed how I bought some puts when it broke through this purple line and couldn't rebound up. I expected it to work down there, and now we're kind of hitting that level. The daily chart is having a big red day at the moment with about an hour to go in trading. We'll see what happens. The key here is on the weekly chart, we kind of broke through that inside bar, didn't want to, rebound from there, so then our next target was down to this purple line. The key to this whole thing now is on this weekly chart with a few days to go. Are we going to close strongly red? And if so, then you'd expect a little follow through lower. And until that weekly chart then reverses back up, we got to kind of monitor what kind of pullback develops here overall. So we'll see what happens. Looking at, let's see, the monthly chart also has a potential revert. We're below the open of the month. So we took out the high of that green month. And now, until proven otherwise, the month of December is going to continue lower. So we got all kinds of downside happening here. It's just a matter of how, things go day to day. Breaking through that inside weekly bar and not rebounding definitely had a, probability, for a deeper pullback into the next targets here after some exhaustion risk to the upside. You can see here we're breaking through this target right now. And those options I bought the 605 puts at 778. I scaled out to, set up an nose trade at 9. You can see they're asking like 12 right now. So they're up, over 4 points. So moving up nicely, and we're just going to have to see what happens. This is another inflection point, kind of a bigger picture target. It's possible we pause here. It's possible we don't go any lower. Hard to say. 15-minute structure, if we look at it, is just, down, 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 down. So, you never know what happens when you hit these inflection points. But a good trade here from breaking below this purple line to hit to this purple line. And we're just going to have to really see. I'm going to kind of focus in the big picture, how this weekly chart ends up. Will it stay red? Which means a little follow through lower into next week at some point, and kind of see how we relate to this, some of these other targets to the downside as we pull back. There's some, there's some pivot machine gun kind of targets along the way, so you monitor that. But for now, good trade buying puts after the Fed announcement here on the SPY.